This is our first lettering sheet. Let me see if I can back this out so you can see the whole sheet. And it's just called L-1. And when you take a picture of this to send it to me, your work, you'll label the photograph L-1- and then your initials. Don't forget to letter your last name here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Let me zoom up on that. And you haven't had practice with all the different shapes yet, but make an attempt to create the uppercase and single stroke Gothic, we call it. Okay, so that's the kind of quality you're looking for. And don't forget today's date. The date that you're doing the work. Okay, we're going to begin looking at. Let me describe for you what you're to do on here. You'll letter the large letters in the boxes and work on proportion and shape. You practice the same letters within the 1/4 inch and 1/8 inch guidelines. Okay, so make a copy of each letter, like you see here. Now, when you make copies of the letter I here, don't put like 14 of them there. Just make a couple until you feel comfortable making the single strokes. And then make several small ones, the 1/8 inch ones. Okay, so let's look at F. All right, so you make a copy of it. Remember, you're going to always pull your pencil across. I've got my paper turned at an angle to the desk for my right hand. Then what you'll need to do is take a straight edge, or if you want to do it by eye, go ahead and block out some spacing here, just like they're showing here, to do the letter without any grid, and keep the same proportion. So enough room there to do a couple more. And then with the small letter, you could probably do about 4 across there. So don't jam it in close. Follow proper spacing. Work yourself all the way across. And don't start on the next page until you get these done and take a picture of them. Okay?